Bum 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 bum. Vanish the monkey's uncle. What? Today I'm gonna teach you how to make a card disappear. Hey, magic is all the rage, I hear. Although it's probably a lie, because I actually haven't heard it. But card tricks are awesome. Everybody likes them. Everybody's impressed, unless they know how to do them. So today I'm gonna teach you how to do the back palming method and make a card disappear. I know you guys, you're probably like, the monkey's uncle can do everything. What? Clever! But no, this is actually quite easy. And I'm going to show you the trick now. Something everybody wants to know, as I've said. It doesn't only take luscious locks. It takes good hand motion. In that, it can't be disturbing you during your videos. Anyway, so you drop it on the ground. That's the trick. This is the trick. Okay, so this is all you do. When you going up and down, 1, 2, and then on your up, you hook like this. 3. Bring these 2 fingers under. Scoop it back like so. And you want to bend the cards with these 2 fingers. Make sure none of it's showing. See? It's perfect. And then bring it back. You just go. Bring it back. So here's the side view. Back view. It takes a little bit of time. You gotta remember always, you can't do this or it'll pop out and fly off. But you gotta get it perfectly to where it's not showing through like this. But you gotta get it, or you can't have it too far up, or else it just won't work right. But you just gotta get it perfect. It'll take some time. Don't worry. A little bit of hard work. You can get it done. Okay. Throw it up and catch it. 1, 2, 3. This is Monkey's Uncle. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. And I'll see you next time.